Ma'am, my first question to you. Bombay High Court has given a huge relief to Nestle, saying that principles of natural justice were violated. The company was not given was not even given an option to explain its stance. Does that not really come as a huge setback for the government?
I have not gone through what the Honorable Court has said, but I can only say from what you are telling me that the fact that they have said that samples are going to be tested again within 6 weeks, and then a call is going to be taken whether ban continues or not, is a very welcome step, because I have constantly been saying that there must be clear-cut protocols where the industry should know that how they are supposed to manufacture, the lab should know that how they need to test, and the people should be assured that what they are consuming has been tested and is safe for their health. So I think it's very welcome what the court has decided to do, and as the verdict comes, we can
Ma'am, do you think the investment climate was getting impacted given that Nestle is a global company and some of the samples or what was being produced here was okay in lots of developed parts of the world?
Yes, of course, it is a fact that in almost 7 countries, the very same product of the same company has met the stringent standards followed by those countries, including US, Singapore, as well as the UK. So there was apprehension in the minds of the people as to what was it being produced separately for India and being separately exported. So there are all kinds of questions. But whatever the answers to those were is going to now all come out. It's all in the court. The court will take the necessary steps to ensure that everything comes out and in a clear, transparent manner. That's why I say that what has been decided is very welcome.
Ma'am, my final question to you, do you think it's going to be a landmark case given that it will provide transparency to global companies and also create some kind of a standardization in terms of food products?
I absolutely hope so, because that is the need of the hour, and it should.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.